Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing, first impressions tutorial kind of video. So this is my first time using Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, and it's by the Crayon Case. And I've been wanting more pigmented colors, more vibrant colors, especially with this time of year, springtime, summertime. I want to be a little more festive with my eyeshadow, and it's really hard to find a good yellow, a good light pink, good light blues. So I saw this palette and I thought this would be perfect for my needs, my wants. So let me get into the colors. One thing I really like about this is that the colors are named after the actual color. Sometimes eyeshadow palettes can get really confusing naming the different colors. So when you're following a tutorial, it's kind of difficult to remember what shade they use of each and where. But these are named after the actual colors, so that makes things a lot simpler. Just off the bat, looking at them, some of them are shimmery, some of them are matte. And some of the shimmery ones, some of them look a lot shimmery than the others, and some of them are more subtle. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. There are 18 colors in total, and it comes with a mirror, which is convenient. Yeah, and it's a pretty good mirror. Yes, okay. So I'll be doing swatches, and then we're gonna play around with an eyeshadow look. So here are all the swatches side by side. Now I'll show you my first impressions of each individual color as I swatch them for the very first time on my fingertips. So I'm going to swatch the first 4. Okay, so you can see the blue is a shimmery shade and the other 3 are matte. They're very, very pigmented, which I love. Obviously there's no primer on my fingertips, so this is what it should look like on my lids. So I'm looking forward to trying it on my lids, but I must say the matte ones, they're very soft and creamy even. A little powdery but creamy at the same time. The shimmery one was a little rough, but that's expected because it has, you know, the shimmers in it. But I didn't have to dig into the colors very much for this amount of color to pick up, so I'm pleased. So here's purple, baby blue, violet, and orange. Yeah, these 3 are extra shimmery. This one is a little shimmery. You probably can't even tell that it's shimmery at all on the camera, but trust me, there's a little shimmer in there. These are really pretty shades. Magenta, white, silver, and gold. Wow. Do you see that gold? Oh my, oh my. Yeah, they're all shimmery, as you can tell. These are so pretty. I'm not a big fan of silver eyeshadow because I'm more of a gold girl, but I can definitely work with this. And this white is really pretty. And I'm gonna have some fun with that magenta. Black, brown, pink, and tan. These are all matte shades. The tan will be a really good transition shade because it's pretty close to skin tone. Pink, this is what I've been looking for. A nice light pink, vibrant. I'm gonna have fun with that. Brown, that'll be really good for a subtle smoky eye, and obviously black will be good for an intense one. And the final 2 are deep plum and lime green. Okay, I feel like the names are a little deceptive with these 2. This doesn't look like a plum to me. It looks like a brown, like an ashy brown. And the lime green, I guess it is pretty lime, but I feel like it could be a little greener. It looks a little too white to be lime. But we can work with these. We can work with these. Okay, now I'm gonna come up with a look. I don't want to do anything too drastic, but I do want to play around with some of these colors that I've never really gotten a chance to play around with before. So I'm gonna go with the flow, okay? Just keep watching. So I'm back and this is the final look. I played around with as many colors as I could without making it too extreme. At least not to me, it's not too extreme, you know? I did have to go into another palette to bring some of it together because the orange, I really wanted to use some orange, but the orange in this palette is a shimmery orange and I wanted to use a matte orange. So you see I put yellow in the crease, like above the crease I should say, and then I put red in the crease, and the red and the yellow weren't blending too seamlessly, so I wanted to add a little orange to tie it all together. So that's what I ended up doing. But yes, I definitely had fun creating this look. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.